The Grenada Solid Waste Management Authority commissioned the final of 2 industrial machines for waste processing during the past week. This, as the authority has given its commitment to complete the processing and removal of all waste at the last 2 debris storage sites in Carriacou by the end of the first quarter of 2025. During the past week, the authority hosted an open day event at the Harveyville playing field for public viewing of the machines, which were landed on the island earlier this month. These pieces of equipment will undertake the bulk of operations for the processing of metal debris and for the rehabilitation of the 5 playing fields, which were used as temporary debris storage facilities. The open day featured presentations on the operations and capabilities of the machines and disclosures on what the public can expect relative to accelerating processing operations, shipment of processed debris off island, and contingencies for the excavation of the topsoil of playing fields, resurfacing with processed soil and replanting with grass. The open day exercise showcased the use of an industrial metal baler, which was commissioned by the manufacturers who are currently on the island to conduct the training of operators, the equipment and fleet maintenance unit of the Grenada Solid Waste Management Authority in the proper use and maintenance of the machine. The operators featured the loading of the machine with metal waste consisting of roofing sheets, damaged appliances and vehicles, and processing them into compressed metal bales in preparation for shipment off island for recycling purposes. One of the major highlights of the day was showcasing the capabilities of a trommel screen designed to feed itself with excavated earth and processed into a centrifugal chamber for the extraction of objects other than earth material and expel clean earth at the other end. Suppliers of the equipment, Cardwell Inc., was also on hand to oversee the commissioning process and conducted guided tours of the facility. The company, which is coordinating the waste processing component of the project, has committed to completing the processing of waste at Hillsborough Playing Field by the end of this week and move all operations to the Harveyville facility. The wood shredder, which is currently located at the Hillsborough Playing Field, will be relocated to the Harveyville Playing Field to complete its share of wood chipping and processing in the coming week. Several residents of Carriacou have been employed on the project to provide support service in areas such as waste screening and waste segregation, heavy equipment operations, field management, loading services, trucking services, mulch preparation, containerization, and security, among other areas. A similar open day event is planned for the end of this week. Christina John, GBN News.